we're going to change our shape now to a triangular prism, which just means you can think of it as either a tent structure, or if you were to stand it up on the triangles, those are like the bases, and then these would be the three sides. So depending on the type of triangular based prism, these don't always have to be the same size. I think they happen to be the same size today, just because we're learning this. So we've got, we'll label these ones. Okay, so if I'm looking at it, this and the bottom, I would imagine is that one right there, and then I would put the flaps down as these two triangles. Then this side and this side end up these two flaps that open up from the bottom. It's basically like opening it up here and flattening everything out. This just happens to have the side lengths on the base that are the same as the side here. So it just so happens with this triangle that these are all the same. That's not always going to be true, but maybe for this year it will be because we're in COVID. So then we label what we know. We know that the height here, I'll do it in black. Oops, the height is 1.7 meters, because if we're doing area of a triangle, we need the height and we need the base. And your base is 2.0 centimeters. And then with this rectangle, we've got a length of 5.2 centimeters and a width of 2.0 centimeters. All right, like I was saying, with a triangle, how do you find the area of a triangle? Area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Base, 2. Height, 1.7. Divided by 2. These are actually going to cancel each other out. And our answer is going to be 1.7 centimeters squared. This is supposed to say centimeters. My bad. And then with our rectangle, area of a rectangle is just length times width. So we would go 5.2 multiplied by 2.0. Double check on your calculator. Whoops. 5.2 times 2 is 10.4. Okay. 10.4 centimeters squared. Now we have to figure out how many of each piece there are. I have to go and lock every one of them. Sometimes they're locked and sometimes they're not. Depends on what I've done in the past. Okay. I need to go up. For our area total, we've got area total is going to be A plus A plus A, because there's 3 of them, but then only 2 of the B's. So rectangle plus rectangle plus rectangle, and only 2 triangles. So area total is going to be rectangle plus rectangle plus rectangle plus 2 triangles. 1.7 plus 1.7. That'll give us our total area. Nice. 10.4. I get through. That can't be right. 10.4 times 3 equals plus bracket 2 times 1.7. That's better. 34.6. Centimeters squared. Therefore, the surface area of the tent is 34.6 centimeters squared.